Welcome to this tutorial on basic slicing in one-dimensional arrays. Slicing is a powerful technique that allows you to extract subarrays from your NumPy arrays using the start:/stop:/step notation. This fundamental skill will help you efficiently work with subsets of your data. The general syntax for slicing is array followed by square brackets containing start:/stop:/step. This notation extracts elements starting from the start index, up to but not including the stop index, and increments by the step value. Understanding this syntax is key to mastering array manipulation. Let's begin by importing NumPy as NP and creating a sample array. We'll use np.array to create a one-dimensional array containing the values 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. This array will serve as our example throughout this tutorial. Our first example demonstrates basic slicing using just start and stop indices. When we slice array from index 2 to index 5, we get 30, 40, and 50. Notice that the element at index 2 is included, but the element at index 5 is excluded. The stop index is always exclusive in Python slicing. Now let's add the step parameter to our slice. When we slice array from index 1 to index 7 with a step of 2, we get 20, 40, and 60. The step parameter tells NumPy to skip every other element, allowing us to extract elements at regular intervals. You can omit the start or stop indices for convenience. Array:4 returns everything from the beginning up to index 4. Array:5 returns everything from index 5 to the end. Array:2 returns every second element from the entire array. These shortcuts make your code more concise. Negative indices let you count from the end of the array. Array:3 returns the last three elements, 60, 70, and 80. Array:2 returns everything except the last two elements. Array:5:2 extracts elements from the fifth last to the second last position. A particularly useful trick is reversing an array using a negative step. When you use array:1, you get the entire array in reverse order: 80, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20, 10. This is an elegant way to reverse arrays without writing loops.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.